Welcome to step 18, part 2, the second seat countersink holes. So tools required: drill press, number 8 countersink, preferably with a collar on it, safety glasses, and some sort of clamp, a quick grip clamp. So what you're going to do is you're going to adjust the height of the countersink so that the collar, when it comes in, it will stop at the top of the wood. Once you've got that set up, find a scrap piece of material that's approximately the same height as your 3/4 inch seat. So I've got 3/4 inch MDF, and you're going to make sure you have no hoodie, drawstrings, loose clothing, or long hair. So I'm not going to use a clamp here because I just want to see how it behaves. And countersink like that. Come and show the teacher to confirm it's correct. Once you've done that, then you can proceed to, this was when we came here in step 18, part 1, is we have our 4 holes that are located, that we've used them all for a center punch to locate. And now we're ready to go. So what we want to do is, I always like to position the drill press close to the edge so I can, for ease of clamping. So I come over here, I use the spindle lock on the other side, and even though this is a bit tedious, pretty good habit to get into clamping your work. Release the spindle lock, drill that. I'm just going to show you on just one hole. So we've got the countersink, and we're going to do it on the other 3 holes, so we got 4 in total. And make sure that you remove, with a little bit of 150-220 sandpaper, the burr on the back. And we'll see you in part 3, step 18.